Hi guys, it's Kobus our camper dream, and yeah, the moment of truth. Yeah, that is a toilet, a water toilet, and yeah, it works like this. Pas op jou voete. Pas op die piepie, Lovey. So yeah, tank is not in yet. So it's looking a bit wet under the bus. So yeah, the tank needs to get in there. But yeah, the toilet's there and it's flushing, so that's like just the next thing. My lovely wife is like just laughing at me, because now it's just water everywhere. But yeah, there's it. Everything is stopping, the pumps are stopping. So yeah, this water things here is just really at the next level. Look here. In a camper. I don't even have this in my house, guys. Yo, I think I can move in. Now I can really now just think of moving in. That's it. That's it. I can move in. I'm done. I can move in. Avi, I'm moving in.